Dear students, today we will discuss anthelmintic drugs, that is very important drugs for competitive exams like pharmacist, drug inspector, GPET, like that. Okay, try to understand. It is also important for the university exam also. It is very simple category or very simple question for university exam, that is write short note on anthelmintic. Okay, means just to try to understand, we will discuss that is anthelmintics. What is the first one is the definition of anthelmintics, means drugs which expel out parasites from body. Parasites, which parasite? That is an helminthic category. Which helminthic category? That is roundworm, that may be hookworm, that may be pinworm, that may be threadworm, that may be whipworm, that may be pleuria, that may be tapeworm, or that may be hydatidic disease. Okay, these certain categories of, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 disease or 8 infections of parasite like disease, that parasites which cause the ingestion at the our GIT, they are act as a parasite form. Clear? To expel out from that, from body, that is anthelmintic drug. Okay, now we will discuss the on the basis of chemical nature of drugs, that is the chemical classification. That first one is the our benzimidazole. What is the benzimidazole? Try to understand. Benzene having a imidazole ring system known as benzimidazole, that is mebendazole, albendazole and thiabendazole. Okay, these three drugs are very promising for the expel out different parasitics or which will used as a anthelmintic. Okay, second category, that is halogenated salicylides. Okay, also known as, these are amide derivative, that is niclosamide, closantel and refoxanide. Okay, amide, nide means this related to amide. Okay, or nide means salicylides. Clear? We will discuss in the structure also. Next one is the category the imidazole, means it is the two ring system, imidazole and thiazole. Imidazole ring system is the one 5-membered ring system containing 2 nitrogen at 1,3 position, that is imidazole. Thiazole is the 5-membered ring containing 2 heteroatom, that is 1 nitrogen and 1, that is sulfur. Okay, that see, try to understand imidazole. This one, the imidazole. Okay, and what is the thiazole? Thiazole means nitrogen, sulfur. This one is the thiazole. How we can correlate the structure? Try to understand. Imi means 1,3 position nitrogen, 1,3 position nitrogen, and thiazole for 5-membered ring. Okay, similarly thia means sulfur, aza means nitrogen, and all 4 5-membered. In this pattern we can understand easily. Imidazole means imidazole ring system hoga, and thiazole means both ring system will be there, that is levamisole category or levamisole drug. Clear? Ye levamisole drug, that is very important for what? That is anthelmintic. Clear? Next category, that is again fourth category, thiazolide. Thiazolide means again thiazole ring system is derivatized in the form of lide form, that is nitazoxanide. Okay, next one is the again macrocyclic ketones, that is ivermectin and avermectin. These are also known as natural product. Then we will discuss in detail another lecture, that is natural ivermectin and avermectin. Ivermectin have an anti-inflammatory action also. That's why it is used in the corona treatment also. Okay, come to the next category, that is sixth category, piperazines and related drugs. That is again itself piperazine is used as a drug. Next one, the diethyl carbamazine citrate. This drug known as DEC, also known as DEC, that is diethyl carbamazine citrate, also known as DEC, short form DEC. Clear? Now next one, the pyrazinamide. Clear? This one, the piperazine derivative and related agents. Next category, that is vinyl pyrimidine. Pyrimidine means very simple. Pyrimidine means 6-membered ring containing 2 nitrogen at 1,3 position. That is 6-membered, 1, 2, 3, 6-membered pyrimidine ring system. Pyrantel and oxantel. These two drugs belong to this category. Clear? Last one, that is the quinolines. Quinolines, that is the quinolines, very simple. Benzene have side ring system with pyridine, that is quinoline ring system, that is pyrimidine. Clear? That is pyrimidine means this ring will be present in pyrimidine. Clear? This is all about the structure, classification of anthelmintics. Now we would like to some important points we will discussion. Certain parasites I have written in front of these. There are certain drugs. These are basically drug of choice. That is drug of choice means also known DOC. How drug of choice and how DOC, try to understand. It is the meaning of that first choice of the physician for the treatment of these infection or these parasites. Means roundworm treated is mebendazole, albendazole or pyrantel. Means first drug will be these or first line drugs or drug of choice. Means these drugs will be preferred for the treatment of these infection. Means hookworm, that is mebendazole, albendazole. Again pinworm, that is mebendazole, albendazole and pyrantel. Similarly, threadworm is treated with ivermectin, means drug of choice. Again whipworm, that is mebendazole and albendazole. Similarly filaria, that is DEC, try to understand DEC, that is DEC, diethyl carbamazine citrate. Then ivermectin, here ivermectin, where ivermectin, this one the ivermectin. Clear? Tapeworm is again pyrazinamide and albendazole and niclosamide. Clear? And hydatidic disease, that is albendazole. In this pattern you can see easily means albendazole and mebendazole have a promising anthelmintic drug which are used to expel out helminthic category parasites. That's why these are known as anthelmintic drugs. Clear? These are the drug of choice. Now I would like to emphasize the MCQs which are generally asked in the different competitive exams. Then drug of choice is the very important. That's why I have written here along with the classification. This is the drug of choice and these are generally asked in the different competitive exam like GPAT, I mean to say pharmacist, I mean to say different drug inspector, like that. These type of exams definitely generally questions will be there from this pattern. Clear? This is all about the what anthelmintic drugs. Clear?